My name is Jeff Callaghan. I'm the Director of Mountain and River Activities. We run a business of multi-activity such as gorge walking, abseiling, rock climbing, bushcraft, survival. Our activities are suitable to all. The reason I like this area so much is the biodiversity of it, the flora and the fauna. Yes, I really enjoy getting in amongst the woods, the mountains and the rivers. It's absolutely fantastic area to live in and to work in. This area is so beautiful. It's a privilege to live and work here. This area is of outstanding beauty. There's so much going on here. You've got the river gorges, the actual massive oak woods, but you've got a very dramatic scenery. It is so diverse. There's a lot of industrial history in this area. If you're interested in history, then this is the place to come. The dramatic heart of Wales welcomes you.